Martinez, 9 years old, Boy Scout, natural-born leader. Avengers, match. Captain America. Eddie Lacy, running back, attributes. Breaks tackles like the Hulk, smashes like the Hulk. Avengers match. Hulk. Fabian Cancellara, cycling champion, intense focus, athletic precision. Avengers match. Hawkeye. John Florence, godly courage, godly hair. Avengers match. Thor, skilled, resourceful, match. Black Widow. Follow the coordinates to the rendezvous.
Shawarma? Avengers love shawarma. Cancellara. Amazing. Thumbs up.
Who are you?
I'm Bobby. I'm the kid that's gonna be Captain America.
He's a young one, huh?
Someone's missing. We need an Iron Man.
This looks good. We got Darbar kebab, Royal kebab, Queen's kebab, Shahani kebab,
Leo.
Wow, Messi.
King's kebab.
Hola, Leo.
Hola.
I think these just unlocked.
Whoa. You guys got one?
Mine's black. Wait, it has a little blue in it too. Cool. Uh-oh.
Eddie, put down the menu.
Wow.
Please attach the Samsung Galaxy S6 into the Gear VR now.
Whoa.
Hello. Welcome to the Virtual Avengers Tower. Using virtual reality, you will take on the powers of Earth's mightiest heroes. Your mission? Become an Avenger. Nice biceps, Hulk.
Ooh.
How do you like your new superpowers?
Increíble.
Let's see what you can do.
Oh, smash!
You're making a mess.
Oh, sorry.
This is amazing. Wow. It's the shield. Oh boy.
Whoa!
Oops.
I'm Hawkeye.
Whoa, I guess I am worthy.
Avengers, we have some unexpected guests.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Robots? Seriously?
Whoa!
I missed. Oh, never mind.
Why do you keep hitting yourself? Robot crunch time.
Try these. Congratulations, Avengers. You've learned today what it means to be a team. Your training is complete. We're just getting started. All over the world, the biggest Avengers fans are being called to ranks. We need to be ready. Match Black Widow. Avengers fans, assemble.
Someone needs a hug?